Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about shell script. But before discussing about shell script, let us talk about what is shell. So the shells are the user interface available in the Unix or Linux operating system. So it helps us to interact with the Linux or Unix operating systems. Now user can feed the input via shell to the operating system and the user can get the output from the operating system via the shell. So basically shell provides an environment to run the commands, programs, shell scripts, etc. Different operating systems use different shells. Each shell acts on specific set of commands or instructions. Now a shell has a command prompt. In case of bash shell, the command prompt is $. So we can type anything after the command prompt. So in case of dollar, we can type anything after the dollar like echo within double quote hello scripts. If we press the enter button, it will print hello script. Now there exist primarily two type of cells, Bourne cell and C cell. Bourne cell are represented by SH whereas C cell is represented by CSH. Bourne shell usually installed as \bin/sh on most versions of Unix. Bourne shell, the command prompt is $, whereas in case of C shell, the default command prompt is %. Now Bourne shells are further divided into corn shell and born again shell, which we call bash shell. And in this tutorial, throughout this class, we will implement all the programs in bash shell. Now what is shell script? Shell scripts are the programming language run by the Linux or Unix shell. So basically shell scripts use the shell as command line interpreter to run the shell program. Shell script used to perform file manipulation, program execution, printing text, etc. Shell scripts are interpreted, not compiled. You can write a command on the shell directly and press the enter button to get the output. Like you can write echo after that within double quote hello script and then press the enter button. It will print hello script. But you can also write the set of shell commands on a file and save the file with .sh extension. So it will create a shell script file. And after that you can store the file in the location /bin/sh folder in Unix drive, a Unix operating system. Now let us create a shell script named Test.sh. So in that shell script I am going to write three commands. First is hash, after that not, \bin/bash. So this command is telling that this script can only be executed in the bash shell. After that next command, shell command is pwd. It will show the present working directory. And the third command is ls. It will print all the files, list of files in the present working directory. So after writing this particular shell script, we need to run it in the Unix operating system. How we can run it? We need to give it a permission to run it. Now how to give the executable permission to the script? So currently we all know that a file primarily has three permissions required. One is the read permission, another one is the write permission, and third one is the executable permission. Now here in this particular task we want to run the shell script. So we need to give it the executable permission. And for that we need to have one more shell command, that is chmod or change mode. So if we write chmod +x, that means I am changing the mode of this file to be executable. X represent the execution permission. So +x means the file is now, I am making the permission of the file to be executable. After when the file is already executable, we can write dot backslash test.sh and press the enter button, and it will run the program. And obviously if we run the program in bash shell, then it will execute all those three commands and give us the output. That is for today. Thank you all.